Are you ready to get more out of your real estate career? Are you ready to make more money? Are you ready to give your business a real jumpstart? Hi, I'm Eric Lowry with the Lowry team, and I'm conducting a business building workshop this Thursday in Springboro at Warped Wing Brewery from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. It's 2 hours of pure business building. We're going to talk about lead generation, lead conversion, personal development, transaction management, and a variety of other topics. And then we're going to finish with a little bit of what I call bringing it all together, meaning how do you take some of the things you learned in that workshop and immediately go get them and put them into action to help your business grow. So I'd love to see you there. We're actually 2 to 4 is the class, and then from 4 to 5, we're actually going to have a happy hour networking thing where everybody can just get to know each other a little bit. Everyone gets a free drink. We're going to have some light appetizers and just, do a little, like I said, a little agent-to-agent networking. Love to see you there. The website to register to get your free ticket is simply www.2022, so the year 2022, 2022-bestyearever.com. I hope to see you there.